If you're a speed junkie, you need to hear this. Sneezes are the hidden race cars of your body. Did you know that when you sneeze, you're basically a human hurricane? Yep, those tiny droplets rocket out of your nose at a whopping 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. Imagine your sneeze zooming past a cop and getting a speeding ticket. But hey, don't hold it in. It's your body's way of kicking out those pesky germs. So next time someone blesses you after a sneeze, just remember, you're a speed demon in disguise. Gesundheit.